Hi thinkers, welcome to ThinkX Academy. In this microprocessor playlist, we have already studied immediate addressing as the addressing modes. Now in the addressing modes, we are going to study direct addressing. So let's see what is direct addressing in this tutorial. So in the immediate addressing tutorial, which is the previous tutorial of this microprocessor playlist, we have seen that a instruction that uses immediate addressing looks like something like this. So let's say we have a move instruction, and move instruction basically moves the contents from the source to the destination. So let's say the destination is the AX register, and let's say the data is directly provided here, right? So this is basically the source and this is the destination, and basically 1000 is going to move in the AX register. So we have already studied this before, that 1000H is basically a hexadecimal format, a binary coded. So we provide the immediate data in the immediate addressing. So in programming, it is simply like you are creating a variable a equals to 9, right, or some other value. So you are just providing immediate data and you are pushing it in the contents of the AX register. In direct addressing, we do not provide the immediate data, but instead we provide a memory location or a memory reference, right? So instead of providing this data, which is 1000H, we will provide where this data is stored inside the segment or the data segment, right? So let's say I draw a segment here, which is, let's say this is the data segment, and let's say the data 1234H is somewhat here. In this data segment we have 1234H here, and the memory location is, let's say, 1000H, right? So the data is not 1000, it is the memory location. So I'm just going to write memory location or memory address, you can say anything. And here we have the data, right? So instead of directly providing this data in case of immediate addressing, we provide this memory location 1000H. So how do we do that? We can actually write an instruction, move instruction, which will move the contents at the memory location 1000H, and it will push the contents stored at this memory location to the AX register. Now you can see this 1000H is basically a data. Now in order to set this as a memory reference, we will use two square brackets. So this basically means that these square brackets basically mean that it is a memory location. So some of the assemblers, basically this is assembly programming, and some of the assemblers can actually do this, can run this instruction, but there are some assemblers which will not run this, right? So instead they require a different format for providing them this memory location. So the format is that instead of writing just 1000H, we have to write the data segment in which we are actually trying to locate this data, right, which is the memory location 1000H. So DS basically means the data segment, and in the data segment at 1000H, which is the memory location, we have the data. So basically after running this line, after executing this line using assembly programming, what it will do is it will move the contents of the AX register will now have the contents 1234H. So this is direct addressing. In the next tutorial, we will discuss what is register addressing, and we will also discuss some of the other addressing modes like displacement addressing, base plus index addressing, and there are a lot of addressing that we will discuss in this playlist. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.